RIDGID RP-351 ProPress Standard Press Toolkit, Model 67178 Review. Real job site results. Ever feel like every plumbing job turns into a wrestling match with space, weight, and time? I remember squeezing into a joist bay at 7 p.m., arms shaking, trying to finish one last connection. It adds up. Frustration builds quietly. If you've been there, you know the feeling. Let's talk about what's actually holding you back. Missed deadlines sting, especially when a single joint slows the entire install. The pressure feels heavy, almost metallic, sitting in your chest while clients wait upstairs. One contractor told me he lost half a day reworking a bad connection. That's wasted motion. The right tool doesn't create chaos. It restores control and keeps your workflow steady. This is where the RIDGID RP-551 ProPress Standard Press Toolkit, Model 67178, changes the conversation. Don't just pick any press tool. Make sure it has a brushless motor rated for over 100,000 cycles, so you avoid constant servicing and unexpected downtime. The inline standard series design feels balanced in your hands, reducing shoulder strain during long installs. Its 360-degree swivel head lets you press confidently inside tight joist bays, ceiling plenums, and crowded mechanical rooms without awkward mechanical positioning. Press cycles take about 4 seconds, with over 325 presses per charge on 3/4-inch copper, keeping momentum on large runs. The advanced LED interface gives real-time feedback, and the green completion light removes guesswork instantly. Built-in Bluetooth supports tool tracking and diagnostics through the RIDGID app, which experienced crews quietly appreciate on multi-site projects. One project manager nearly missed a commercial deadline, but with 2 18-volt batteries and 0 scheduled maintenance, his team finished smoothly. Small detail. It's not just faster, it's calmer. If reliability matters to you, this is worth a closer look. An industry analyst described the RP-351 as a benchmark for total cost of ownership, pointing to the maintenance-free design and long service life as key financial advantages. A master plumber with 15 years in the field told me the inline balance saved my wrist and shoulder, especially during overhead presses. That matters over thousands of cycles. A well-known trade tool reviewer highlighted the color-coded indicators and said the instant green light confirmation removed guesswork entirely. Even a commercial contractor running high-rise projects shared that the kits included 1/2-inch to 2-inch jaws cover nearly all daily needs, while 2 batteries comfortably support an 8-hour shift. Real-world proof. I've noticed the integrated LED lights alone can replace juggling a separate flashlight under sinks or in dark mechanical rooms. Some users mention the tool has weight, and that's fair, but the trade-off is durability and stability under load. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Would this level of control change how you approach complex installs? The compatibility with all RIDGID Standard Series jaws also protects past investments, which seasoned pros quietly value. The RIDGID RP-351 ProPress Standard Press Toolkit, Model 67178, isn't about hype. It's about smoother installs, fewer callbacks, and predictable results. Join the many contractors and technicians already seeing consistent workflow improvements across plumbing, HVAC, and fire protection jobs. Results may vary depending on workload and materials, but the performance foundation is proven. Solid investment. If you're ready for more controlled, efficient pressing on every project, click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.